they're still gonna have to
Wait, the
consider how
camera?
I feel about going back.
Right.
You know, because they said they're not gonna force anybody.
Yeah.
You know, if you're not comfortable, of course, they just signed my pass. Do not pass.
Boomer,
go.
you like the camera?
I think,
Good boy.
We're gonna get the option to keep him home, but because
Thank
his
you.
autoimmune, right, we can also keep him home. We can't risk him going, bringing something back. Right. So.
Well, now they fixed
But you
it.
know what? You know what? Those schools, the public schools now had to convert to the trying
yeah.
online because of the issues. But if I
Keep
was a
thinking
parent
he's-
right now,
I
I would
keep
have gone to
thinking
those
his-
schools that have
He's
online
hitting me with his
parents.
tail.
Like online.
No, let him do it.
Because
It's
you might
natural.
force you, but
Boomer.
these people have been doing it for years. They know what they're
Listen,
doing.
this school, they handled online like if they've been doing this 15, 20 years.
Awesome.
Okay.
Because
Oh,
most
he's
people
on
don't
my-
know
no.
nothing of that stuff
No,
about their full
these
kids.
guys would go on, and it was by appointments. Okay.
Yeah.
Then they would have class discussions, meetings. Then there were which I've spoken to a lot of my friends that are parents. They had meetings with them. How do you feel? About
Dougie.
everything in general. Let's discuss, what's happening. We
Yeah,
wanna
because
know,
sometimes the parents will give you good suggestions on how to fix it or what to improve.
so
You got a gray hair.
I know.
he's got his grades.
Gray.
Gray hairs.
How old is he now?
10.
Oh, he's
June
10?
1st, he turned 10.
Wow.
He's 10. Almost my age.
Yesterday was Mom's birthday.
I know, I sent you a text. Did you see it?
Oh, yeah, that's what you did.
I never forget.
Huh?
Say goodbye, Boomer.
I can't tell you how many times
Wanna say
think
goodbye
about
to the
driving
camera?
here, not just on her day.
Yeah.
And this lady that was supposed to see.
Boomer, Say goodbye to the camera.
They have
Boy.